Welcome everybody, time to unbox my third foldable phone in a row, the Honor Magic V3. So let's get started. Better take the knife here. Let's open it up. Just take it out now. Take a look at this later. Let's check what else in the box. We got a little accessory box, some ejector pen outside here, and inside of it the manuals, USB C to C, and a protective case. Now for the phone. Just want to close it. Just connect this. Just put it like this here, and this one is with some little tapes here around. Let's just fit it here now. So that's the Magic V3 in the case. First of all, we will take selfies with the front-facing camera of the outside screen. We can choose between 0.8x and the 1x while taking normal selfie. If we want to have the bokeh activated using the portrait mode, we don't have the choice anymore and are stuck on this length. Now using the camera of the big screen, doing the same, and after checking the Z Fold 6 a couple of days before, the difference between the outside and inside front-facing camera is really not big on the Honor Magic V3. There's a huge difference on the Z Fold 6, so it's a pleasant surprise. And just for good measure, taking selfies with a main lens, and there is of course a huge difference in quality here. Taking a portrait with a main lens, taking the 2x zoom, and at the end with a 3.5x telelens. So now I'm recording in 4K with the front-facing camera of the outside screen, 30 frames per second. At default it is on 0.8x. We can go in further on 1x. And we also have one noise reduction feature here. So, of course, I'm now at home. You will not feel that much of a difference, I guess. Outside, there should be a bigger difference, obviously. And now I'm using the camera from the unfolded screen. Here also we have the 0.8x as a default, and we can go to 1x. And it is recording in 4K. The Z Fold 6, for example, can't shoot in 4K with this camera, but it also has an under-display camera. And now we are using the main lens. I can see myself on the outside screen. The quality looks, of course, the best from all of them. Here we can go to the ultra-wide also. Now I'm using the ultra-wide lens. Going to 1x again. Can zoom in 2 to 4. And digitally we can zoom in even further. So now it is 10x and all the way to ultra wide. So I have the Magic V3 now, obviously, but if you have seen some of my previous unboxings, you maybe know that I have the Pixel 9 Pro Fold here as well, and the Galaxy Fold Z Fold 6. If you want to see a camera comparison between these three phones, leave a like and a sub, and we will hopefully see us in the next one.